You need to hear this if you're a fan of heroic pets. Here's the tale of Whiskers. Whiskers ran from everything, dogs, birds, even his own shadow. But one day he saw a tiny puppy stuck in a drain, crying for help. Instead of running, Whiskers did something crazy. He jumped down, meowed for help and tugged at the pup's collar until humans noticed. The puppy was saved, and guess what? The humans adopted Whiskers for being a hero. Now he walks around like he owns the place. If Whiskers can be brave, so can you. Smash that like button, comment Hero Whiskers, and subscribe for more epic